In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact BDO Customer Service. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. The first thing you need to type here is BDO Help Center. Then just go ahead, click on the first link. And here you can see there is help and support and contact us. Just click on contact us. After that, you will be redirected to this page. You can see at the right side, you can find the number to call in case of emergency of problems. Just go ahead, click on it, and here you will find the hotline you can contact in case there is any complaint or problem encountered. You can report it to the BDO Customer Contact Service. And here you can see how can I contact BDO from outside Metro Manila or the Philippines. You can see here the numbers provided for every country, and that's about it. But if you want to go further, you can go ahead, click on help and support, then just give it some time. You can see here the popular topics that every client is asking about and see their answers. And if you go ahead, scroll down, you can find here quick guides on how to use BDO Pay, how to use other features. So this is very helpful. And here you can find the number as I showed you before. So as always, thank you for watching.